Today, I'm going to walk you through a surprisingly common issue that can trip up Telegram users. You're trying to send a message, but it only lets you talk to people who are already in your contact list. Maybe you've run into this problem when you wanted to join a new group, network with someone for work, or just reach out to a new friend. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand exactly how to check your account's restriction status, how to communicate with Telegram's system, and if all goes well, how to unlock messaging for non-contacts. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open up your Telegram app. Whether you're on your phone or using Telegram on your desktop, all of this should work the same way. Go ahead and make sure you're logged into your main account. Sometimes people, in their hurry to fix things, start by clicking through settings, but for this fix, we're going to use Telegram's built-in account bot instead. Next, in the Telegram search bar, type in @spambot. Now you'll probably see a few search results pop up. You want to make absolutely sure you're picking the *official spam info bot. Look for the one with the blue checkmark next to its name. That blue checkmark means it's verified by Telegram, so you know you're dealing with the right bot and not some impersonator. When you open the chat, you'll notice the bot's interface is pretty straightforward, almost like messaging a customer service agent. Type start to begin. This command kicks off the automated check and lets the bot look up your account's restriction status. Don't be surprised if it replies in just a second or two. Bots are much quicker than talking to a person. Now here's the important bit. If it comes back with a message saying, "Good news, no limits are currently applied to your account, you're free as a bird," that's a sign your account isn't officially restricted or banned in any way by Telegram. But maybe you're still hitting issues messaging non-contacts. If that's the case, look for an option in the bot's message that says something like, "But I can't message non-contacts." Go ahead and tap or click on that option. Telegram's system is designed to listen to genuine account concerns. At this point, just reply honestly when prompted. Maybe you're seeing a notification saying you can only talk to mutual contacts, or perhaps messages aren't going through to new people. The bot is trying to gather info about your specific situation, so don't worry about using exact technical terms, just explain what's happening in everyday language. It may ask a simple follow-up, but for most people, just mentioning the problem here is enough to get the ball rolling. Once you've replied, you may need to wait a little while for changes to take effect. Seriously, don't worry if you don't see instant results. Sometimes restrictions are temporary, or the bot might escalate your case to Telegram's support team. It's a bit like shaking loose a customer service snag. Sometimes just starting the conversation helps nudge the system to fix things. That's all you need to do. With these steps, you're proactively resolving the issue, making sure that Telegram recognizes you're not a spammer, and opening the door to messaging new people. If your ability to message non-contacts isn't restored right away, check back in a few hours or consider restarting your app. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like. It helps more people find solutions like this. Drop your questions in the comments if you've run into any other issues, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical step-by-step Telegram guides. Thanks for watching, and good luck connecting with whoever you need.